Welcome to Virto Commerce video tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll review how to configure the default theme for the cloud-based deployed platform, add some linked lists, static pages, and blog posts using CMS content module functionality. First of all, we have to have cloud-based deployed platform, and we need to go to content. We see the store already configured, but it does not have any themes configured and assigned. So let's do it now. First of all, download the default theme from the GitHub. We go to GitHub, Virto Commerce, we see theme default repository, and there is a release. Take the latest release zip archive and download it. Once downloaded, we go to themes widget, click upload, and select the zip file we just downloaded with the release, theme release. As you can see, it's once uploaded, the theme gets already activated for the store as it is the only one. Next step is to configure a storefront project to work with cloud deployed platform theme. We go to Virto Commerce storefront project, open app settings file, JSON file, find the content connection string. By default, it has local storage configured. We need to change it to Azure Blob Storage. And we need to change the root path to the container of where the cloud deployed platform theme has been uploaded. And we need to provide the connection string. Now let's save the changes. And that's basically it. Now we can run IIS Express, and by default, it has to connect to the theme, and then we can do the adjustments. So after some time, the storefront shows up with the theme uploaded to the cloud deployed platform. And now we can start the branding and other adjustments of the theme. Let's go back to the platform. What we can do here, we open the theme, what it has. First of all, let's go to the config folder and settings data. So here we see some presets available, theme presets. First is blue, then let's scroll down. We see soft green preset. It has some predefined colors and other settings. Dark, so these are the three presets available for the theme. Let's set the current one, and the current one is blue. So let's update it to, let's say, soft green, save, and see the changes. Refresh the page. And now we see that storefront theme has changed, colors changed, font has changed, and we no longer see this the logo here. It's just a text and name of the store. So let's update the logo and make it available here. For this purpose, we need to go back here, find the soft green preset, and let's search for the logo use image. Here it is set to false. Let's set it back to true. Let's make some smaller size of the image, save the change. And now let's update the logo itself. We need to go back to all. Let's go to assets, images, and here we will find the logo. Here is the logo PNG. Let's delete one, default one, and upload, let's say, the logo we would like to provide for our store. And now let's go back to the storefront and try refresh and see if the changes has been applied. As you may see, now instead of the store name, we see the logo we just uploaded, the new one. So what else we can do is to add some menu items for the menu. In order to add new menu items, let's go back to the contents and add link lists. Here is the list is empty. Let's add one, and the predefined menu link list name is main menu. Also, let's add link to the drones category. Let's give a name to it and put the URL to the drone category. Pick the category, click create, go back to the storefront, refresh the page, and as you can see, the menu appeared first of all, and the link to drones category. Let's click it and see, yeah, it opens the drones category items list. Another predefined link list is footer. Let's add footer link list. And later on, we will add About Us page, but let's already add the link to it. And let's click Create. Now, when we'll refresh the storefront, these quick links in the footer is empty, and the one after the refresh, we see the About Us link appeared, but it is empty. And now let's add such a page, About Us. Go back to admin side, click Pages widget, and click Add. Let's name it About Us. Select language. Add some contents here, and as you may see, you can add the contents using the Markdown formatting. Let's publish the page and give a title to it. Let's fill in some metadata. Great. And now let's go back to store and try refresh this About Us page. After the page refresh, we can see the contents of what we have provided in the backend. So here's the way to add the link lists and some static pages. Now let's add some blog posts. For this purpose, let's go back to the admin, click blogs, and here let's add some new blogs. Let's add first news blog. It creates a folder for news blogs, and let's add yet another one for posts. In the news blog, let's create a couple of blogs for each of the drone we have in the catalog with some contents in it. First, let's add post for the DJI Phantom 3 drone, and also let's add some link to the drone page. Go back to storefront, paste the link here, and give it a name. Select a locale. In the metadata, also set the date of the blog post, then make it published, and give it a title. Great. So now let's add this link to the blog post in the main menu. Let's add one more link list to the main menu and save it. And also let's make one more drop down for the main menu link list, news, and one more for posts. And here the link would be blogs, news, and for the next one would be blogs, posts. So now let's go to the storefront and refresh the page. After the page refresh, we see these blocks appeared in the main menu, and it also has two sub-menus in the drop-down. And let's go to News, and we can see there is one post here in this blog, and we can click this, and the contents we provided here. And if we click Purchase, we should be navigated to the DJI Phantom page. And if we go to posts, currently it is empty, but if we would add more posts here, it would also appear on the storefront. So this is the way to add different blogs and posts to the different blogs. So that is pretty much it. So in this tutorial, we reviewed how to set the default theme, give some branding to it, adjust it to your needs, add some link lists, static pages, and blog posts using the content module functionality. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.